Hey guys, so today is Saturday. I'm about to go to Dragon City because I want to go buy like a full frontal closure for the hairstyle I want to do. Let me show you guys. So the goal is to do this hairstyle. What I'm scared of is the layering. It's a whole bang. I want to get it done for New Year's. Just requested my Uber. I feel so pretty today. I love my gimbal so much because if you know me, you know how bad I want that DJI. This is like the next best thing. It's not even the DJI one, but it works great. Like, can you see how it's literally tracking me? Not too much. I doubt I'm gonna vlog at Dragon City. I might, but if I don't, I'm gonna see you guys when I get back. As I left to go to Dragon City an hour ago and I'm already back because it's closed. That really blew me. Like, I'm not even trying to talk about it because it's like, how you closed on a day that's not a public holiday? Aren't y'all trying to make some money? But it's cool. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I just came to update you guys that I didn't get my hair. Today's Monday and 2 days ago, as you guys saw, I went to Dragon City. Currently waiting for Michaela to come. She's gonna accompany me to go Dragon City. I'm supposed to be there by 12. It's almost 1. And for the first time, I'm the one that's like actually ready. I've been ready for time now. I just got back from Dragon City. It was so hot, bro. Like, it was so hot. Anyway, so I got my closure. And then I got myself a needle, scissors, wool, and wax stick. Anyways, I will catch you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna do my hair for New Year's. And yeah, I need to go edit. Like, love myself. Bye.
Hi V's phone. I'm doing my lashes right now, waiting for you to get out the shower. But yeah, I love you.
So we're back home. I'm just gonna get ready. I'm not gonna talk because we need to go. While I was cutting my lace, I cut my eyebrows.
To the vlog, it's Irish season.
Hey guys, so it's a few days after New Year's. I'm not going anywhere. I want to try get this hairstyle right and do like a little debrief with you guys. Basically, the hairstyle I wanted to do for New Year's with the bangs didn't come out right. I don't plan to go out anytime soon, so I thought, let me just try this hairstyle and like do makeup and make TikToks so that it doesn't go to waste. I don't know if you guys can tell, I stuck like black tracks to my blonde hair because I needed it to blend more. I was looking like freaking Cedric from Sophia the First. I'll come back when I'm fixing the bang and stuff. Okay, me with the bang. I don't know what's going on. Look at these pieces at the end. Is it giving dun 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 dun? doesn't feel like I can go outside like this. Now we're just gonna bump the ends. I'm gonna repeat this method until I'm done. The black part doesn't really matter because I'm always wearing black, so you can't really tell anyways. But I'm gonna finish this off camera.
Please let me know if I come in too strong.
Hey guys, so today is Monday and I have a client, which is my friend Demi. I'm gonna be installing her, and she has logs, so it's gonna be my first time installing a wig over logs. Please mind the mess at the back. I'm still gonna clean that up. Now I'm gonna pack everything, make sure I have all my products, my tripods, my hot tools and everything. Okay, so I'm basically done. I'm about to go eat. I might do concealer under the eye or just brush my brows. This glue, I hate it. I don't even want to talk about it. Okay, bye.
To the shoot.
My hair's on.
You made.
Please.
Go first.
Please. I don't want to be exposed on your vlog. My hair, bro. My hair, bro.
That's my vlog actually.
Yo, what's up to B's vlog? You know, we're shooting something for Tumi today. It's an unreleased track. You know, we're not gonna do the video today because we don't have the eye contact lenses, but we're gonna get the photos done. It's gonna come out. We're gonna come alive. You know, 2020. We're gonna come alive. Oh, are we live? Oh, damn.
So we're in Rosebank shooting for Demi's song. I just accompanied her because I was doing her hair, as you guys saw. So yeah, now we're here. Hey guys, so it's been a while since I vlogged. I can't even remember when the last time I vlogged was. Today is my friend Vanya's birthday celebration. I did my hair today. Well, I started it yesterday. My edges are looking a bit crazy. I'm left with one braid literally. I'm gonna finish that, do my makeup and get ready with you guys. She's actually having her birthday dinner at the same place I had my birthday dinner. Well, it wasn't a birthday dinner, but you guys saw in the last vlog like where I went out for dinner. I'm gonna start my makeup and then do the braid when I'm done. Yeah. Hey guys, so I'm on my way to my friend's birthday dinner. My cousin's taking me. I'm running late. I said I was gonna do better this year, but am I really? Anyways, I'm gonna see you guys once I get to the restaurant. We here at Vanya's birthday dinner. Say happy birthday to the queen. Just a comment, happy birthday Vanya. Like
And yeah, shout out to my Aquarian bunnies. Was it Aquarius? Aquarian.
Vlog, say hi to my vlog, birthday girl. You're here, but yeah. Both of you are just the same vlog. Yes. Say hi to Masiro. Say hi to Melissa. This is my vlog. This is Kamala. This is Tero. Talk. Where are we?
For 66 minutes,
Tell them. We are going to eat egg and fufu.
I'm not complaining, but we add a lot of food. So.
Rapping skills in my office.
You guys, just thinking that I need to stop using my phone on the road. Oh man, thank you.
You're welcome. Hey guys, I'm shooting for Puffalo today. I'm with Bele and Tash. I vlog. I'll spell away her voice.
Stand the lingo game.
Anyways, yeah, we're about to shoot. We're just waiting for the third person
Oh my god.
to come. We're shooting for Puffalo. So yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys.
Much closer.
I'm gonna turn to him and say,
Yeah, so whatever you do, don't look at the camera. Look at him.
oh, moving as a student. Oh,
God, what the fuck? Move from this end. Yeah, now. We can see this. That's so nice, bro. Like, if you don't shout out, I would say, want you to be like, well, like.
Cancel plans.
That is a perfect plan. You wasn't ready.
You're
ready.
Whoa!
So, hey, how y'all doing? Anyways, I just woke up. So today, I'm gonna go get braces, I think. I'm saying I think, I know. I'm going to get braces. This is, if you don't know, the second time I'm getting braces. So, yeah, as you can see, I need to go shower. My lashes, it's currently 7 a.m. My appointment is at 9. But yeah, I'm getting braces today. I don't know what color I want. I think I want black and pink. I feel like all black off the rib is just gonna look weird. Need some color, man. I low-key can't wait because like this tooth, like we in Joburg, this tooth is in Cape Town, so
Right.
I'm about to leave. I just requested my Uber. I'm just wearing a plain black tee and blue jeans, and then I'm gonna put on my green Adidas jacket. I'm contemplating whether I should eat, cause like I'm gonna have to brush my teeth again. Yeah, I did my makeup because Face Beat Friday, duh.